If you're looking to disable automatic restrictions on your PlayStation, follow these straightforward steps to regain control of your settings. This guide will help you navigate through the necessary adjustments. Step 1. Access Settings. Navigate to the main menu of your PlayStation console and select the Settings option. This is usually represented by a gear icon. Step 2. Go to Parental Controls/Family Management. In the Settings menu, scroll down and find Parental Controls/Family Management. Select this option to access the controls related to restrictions. Step 3. Select Family Management. Once in the Parental Controls section, choose Family Management. Here, you will see a list of accounts and their respective settings. Step 4. Choose the account. Select the account for which you want to disable the automatic restrictions. This will allow you to modify the specific settings for the user. Step 5. Adjust restrictions. Look for the option that allows you to disable or adjust automatic restrictions. You may need to toggle settings or enter a password to confirm your changes. Make sure to save any adjustments you make. After completing these steps, you should have successfully disabled the automatic restrictions on your PlayStation. Enjoy your gaming experience without the limitations.